Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Stefflon. Stefflon with a reply. Me call, guys. Me call. Dead girl walking. Jada King done this. First of all, let me just say a couple of things. First of all, big up the two ladies them where do them thing lyrically. Me like it. Keep it lyrically, ladies. Me like that. Keep it lyrically. I like that. Big up the two owners. Good self. Second of all, welcome to all of the new subscribers to the channel. As we do it over here, so full of vibes and full of energy. So big up on yourself and thank you guys for actually subbing to the channel. Me say every comment. I see every comment, but I just don't have time sometimes to just reply to everything. But big up on yourself. Third of all, the people that will have a problem with me pausing the video and saying I'm talking too much. Those people, big up on yourself, see me. Thanks for the input. But guess what? It's a reaction video, yo. It's a reaction video. It's not an audio video or a video of the track. Uno can go watch it without not talking tonight. You understand? But big up on yourself, same way. But remember, it is a reaction video, so I am liable to stop as much as I feel the need to stop. But big up on yourself, same way, and thanks for the comments. But me know said enough on we are comment, not even subscribe. Me know that. So, but big up on yourself, same way. Thanks for the views. All right, so we are gonna jump in our fire and here where Steph said. I've been busy all day, guys. As you can see, me still in my outside jacket. Me just coming off of the road. Just coming in. Me outside from 10 o'clock this morning. Just coming in now. So sorry for the late reaction. But here we go. Let's go.
You is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round bush one, buck up on the main and show the world.
Hold on, man. Make we break down we are breaking down. We are liable to stop as much as we feel like to stop over here. All right. So we say Stefflon on a mountainside. Look like she in some war zone in our army. So yo, big up the. What kind of rifle is Steph? The scope on the top. Yes, scope on top. There hashtag dead girl walking. Twinkle twinkle little star. Yeah, so the twinkle twinkle little star thing what she have done here, so she also have it in the sky here so too. Because you see one star up here so a twinkle, right? And the rest of star them round or a fall. There's one fall, there's everything else a fall, but there's just one star that's not falling, just shining bright. So is that reference to Jada? Ross, no. Let's go.
Hello, me bride. You is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round bush one, buck up on the main and show the world how me bride. Just a chat off your mouth with the clout. Me no do Instagram, badness talk. Oh, you're a
Bumbuckler. Yo, she say, yo, Jada, she said she want buck your brawling at the road and show the world how she dealing with crime. At that she say, yo, she said she want buck your brawling mama. Not on the Instagram thing, she on the Twitter finger thing. And no, brawling, she say.
mouth with the clout. Me no do Instagram, badness talk. Oh, you're a little star. You not ready yet for the top gal war. Me have 2 old nuclear in my yard. Me with an upright, yes, and bomb you from far.
This sound like some lyrics I got drop, you know. This sound like Steph on the chasing thing. This sound like a lyrics Steph talk about. You see me? This sound like a proper lyrics now. Let's go now.
And bomb you from far. Me a killer girl, left a girl in a blood bath. Binds upon binds, move shut out them heart. Send them a cemetery, everybody bar. Send some else and some go me God.
Bumbuckler, Steph get cross. Hungry miserable.
Me a killer girl, left a girl in a blood bath.
Me a killer girl, left a girl in a blood bath. Listen to the aggression in our voice, yo. Brother, this not easy for doing now. Listen to the aggression in a Steph voice, so yo.
Me with an upright, yes, and bomb you from far. Me a killer girl, left a girl in a blood bath. Binds upon binds, move shut out them heart. Send them a cemetery, everybody bar. Send some else and some go me God.
Send them a cemetery, make everybody bar. Send some else, send some ever make them go me God. She has said basically, I know every. And a twinkle and our whole our friend them bad. Some of them can do a little thing. So them little one they way have a little sinner thing about them, send them a hell. We see little good one them like Jada, we are send them a heaven. Cause them no bad. That is what she's saying. Not me. Bombard. Rough.
Them out, send them a cemetery, everybody ball. Send some else and some go me God. Rifle clip your trip, you bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head.
Bumbo clad, rifle clip and chip and lick your and bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, you must lick your head. Wait the man.
Oh, them out, send them a cemetery, everybody ball. Send some else and some go me God. Rifle clip your trip, you bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head. Was it the coke where you taking on your nose? Make you forget your bodies. Me kill you on the 10 man, you fuck for 10 grand.
Must see the coke, she come back with the same coke thing again. Must see the coke where you taking on your nose. Make you forget all of the man them where you fuck all the bodies them. That goes up against your body. Jesus.
Rifle clip your trip, you bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head. Was it the coke where you taking on your nose? Make you forget your bodies. Me kill you on the 10 man, you fuck for 10 grand.
Me kill you on the 10 man. No. She not partial the body. Everything are dead. You and your 10 man where you fuck for 10 grand. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100,000 stuff for 10. For 10 man. 100,000 not enough.
Where you taking on your nose? Make you forget your bodies. Me kill you on the 10 man, you fuck for 10 grand. Don't never fuck wrong with the dog. This never over no man, but the post for your post on your gram, you dirty gal.
So she clear up that. In the last one, I did say that is over, man. She say, yo, this is not over, no man. Burner boy, this is not about you. This is about the post where you post for your gram, Jada. That is what Steph is saying. It's about the post where you post for your gram. She said the post get her upset, hungry. Yeah, he's a rebel. Huh?
This never over no man, but the post where you post on your gram, you dirty gal. And me no heartbreed. He's a Kingstonian. Them gal you salty like sodium.
In a Jada song, she say, yo, Steph a half-breed. Steph say, yo, me a half-breed, me a Kingstonian. Where you get your fax from? That fax not fax up. The fax machine did not work. Me a Kingstonian, so me a half-breed. Move from them. Go one side. Move and break. Where you go?
And me no half-breed. He's a Kingstonian. Them gal you salty like sodium. When me a step on a mission, me never itch me a popcorn like me name Tony.
Woo! Big up papi, big up papi. She said when she a step and I go on mission, she a popcorn. And she don't name Tony and you know Tony and popcorn they allegedly they name the thing. I say yo, she a popcorn. And she not papi big up.
When me a step on a mission, me never itch me a popcorn like me name Tony. Want them coming like nobody no inform them. Me gun them stack up me kill y'all fi fun. As them let go talk, me go down a clip on them.
Nobody know one Jada. That's what Steph said, not me. Nobody know one Jada. What go on here, son? Nobody know one her. Check me file. This is what Steph is saying. Check me file. Nobody know one her. As a girl walk bar mouth, we go let go a clip on them. A clip. A full magazine. Race out.
Me gun them stack up me kill y'all fi fun. As them let go talk, we go down a clip on them. Tell you suck more pussy than your body boyfriend.
You suck more pussy than your body boyfriend. Say your body. No. Your boyfriend a body man. Your boyfriend about
like nobody no inform them. Me gun them stack up me kill y'all fi fun. As them let go talk, we go down a clip on them. Tell you suck more pussy than your body boyfriend. Your pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent. I never.
Her pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent. That means I'm extra broke then, cause if me can't afford it, that means I'm extra broke then, Steph. Sorry, me extra broke. Me can't afford Jada Kingdom Pum Pum. Me can't afford Jada Kingdom Pum Pum. So if you say cheap, anybody coulda afford that, coulda rings that. I guess I'm not in the anybody category then. I guess I'm a nobody.
Your pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent. I never Megan at the you shoulda get shot.
I never Megan, the stallion, I should have you get shot. Remember the whole story and things. She say, yo, and I never Megan, I should have you get shot. Move from there.
Pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent. I never Megan at the you shoulda get shot. On the field, say me afraid you are run up on a talk about pedophile. And you make a 17-year-old breed you. And you did that drive fuck me body. Hey. Your pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent. I never make another do, should I get shot? Uno feel semi afraid, you are run up on a talk about pedophile, and you make a 17-year-old breed you.
Uno thinks I'm afraid you run up on a talk about pedophile. Obviously, she talk about Dutcherville, her brother, because Jada Kingdom mentioned her brother. She say, yo, what? You think I'm afraid? Sorry, you think I'm afraid? You run up on a talk about pedophile when you make a 17-year-old you would read you? Chat, was that youth where Jada Kingdom did in the last relationship with, not this one? Was he 17 years old? Was he 17 years old?
I'm afraid you are run up on a talk about pedophile, and you make a 17-year-old breed you. And you did that try fuck me body man cousin. How much pussy you suck for that dozen? Your mother.
You try fuck our Batman cousin? You try fuck our Batman cousin?
And you did that try fuck me body man cousin. How much pussy you suck for that dozen? Your mother should have swallowed that spell. Party soon I go learn. Me remember when my brother did sell the powder. Then you pop Molly, mix it with a little soda. Me remember when my brother did sell the powder.
You remember when Dutcherville did what? Your brother did what?
Party soon I go learn. Me remember when my brother did sell the powder. Then you pop Molly, mix it with a little soda. Stink pussy, girl, you have a little odor. And me ear say you fuck the dread boy saucer. Bang bang.
People you might get called, no? You fuck the dread boy saucer? Saucer, sir? Eh? Just so?
Pussy, girl, you have a little odor. And me ear say you fuck the dread boy saucer. Bang bang. Oh, you never in a blog for your music. All the time you in a blog is when you suck dick. Oh, you send for the done and you know have it. The man tell me say you love drink, piss. Half a milli on my wrist. When you know about this, and you suck Dutch, dick. You want to get 2 bucks and 2 kids cooling up.
She come back again with the same back thing. Box? Box who? You must be mad. You must be mad. That... No. I mean say that. No, I mean say.
And you so Dutch, dick. You want to get 2 bucks and 2 kids cooling on. The killer them in a day back with me Uzi bang.
Shoot up Rich Cullinan. Shoot up. Remember say Jada said I will send a youth come shoot up your Cullinan. She said shoot up Rich Cullinan. Me have the G them in the back with couple Uzi.
I get 2 bucks and 2 kids cooling on. The killer them in a day back with me Uzi bang. 50 caliber chop your upper so the bullet down. Hey girl, you a look at eye, look how long you a power with foot a hype and can't fully budget.
Oh shit! Hey girl, you look at hype, look how long you a power with foot a hype and can't fully bad. Play parade, big up fully bad, big up SMG. Big up footer. Look how long you parrot foot hype and still can't fully bad. What a play parrot. Steph, well done. Steph, well done, Steph, well done.
You a traitor, you go my reverse Simmons, just pull it down. Hey girl, you a look at eye, look how long you a power with foot hype and can't fully budget. You a traitor, you go my reverse Simmons, just for your papers. You dead, you are dead. Talk, pussy Jada. You a traitor, you are the biggest embarrassment to Jamaica. You dead, you are dead. You is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round bush one, buck up on the main and show the world how me brawl. Just a chat off your mouth for the clout. Me no do Instagram, but this tall. Oh, you're a little star. You're not ready yet for the top girl war. Me have 2 old nuclear in my yard. Me will stand up right just and bomb you from far.
She have 2 nuclear bomb in her yard. She will stand up where she there, at London, and bomb you from far. She don't forget up and close and personal to you, Jada. That is what she said, not me. Not me. Not me.
Me have 2 old nuclear in my yard. Me will stand up right just and bomb you from far. The truth is I'm feeling sorry for a partisan. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom. Ew. Sorry for a partisan. Me will stand up right just and bomb you from far. The truth is I'm feeling sorry for a partisan. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom.
Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom.
The truth is I'm feeling sorry for a partisan. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom. Ew.
Rest in peace, you dirty bitch. Fucking people I didn't even think that she could even get in contact with. Like, why are you doing that? I wouldn't think that. When she started fucking, I started bringing her around, started fucking my gay brother. He said, you got me hooked on to drugs. Jada literally put this little boy on drugs. One time, and the boy was like literally like damn near finna jump on my leg for help. Like, he was like, this bitch gave me something. Like, literally telling me, like, yo, bro, I really ran out the hotel in my boxes. Like, no pussy test. Anything.
She come out, you know? She come right out. She come right out. Steph come right fucking out. Sorry, Steph come right out, you know? Steph come right out, people. Leave in the comment section wagwan. Me not have much more to say. Leave in the comment section and tell me wagwan. Me there, listen. Me there read the comments them. Big up on yourself. Me there about. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.